So guys, I keep getting questions about the MUX and the updated fascia kits. So anyone that's got a Dmax or an MUX that's buying a kit off our website, we use a couple of different fascias based on availability. But if you do get this style from Aerpro, which is FP8063, it might be a slightly different part number based on the colors. It's gonna look like this. Since doing our original installation video on how to install a stereo in a Isuzu MUX and Dmax, it's a different updated bracket mounting style, okay? So this is how you're gonna do the new bracketing. If you get the old style, it will still work and it is as per the original installation video. But if you get this new style kit that's gonna start shipping shortly, or you may already have it. In fact, a lot of people do because they're asking me the question, this is how you're gonna mount the brackets. You're gonna get them like this now. They're slightly different. You're no longer going to mount them on the car. You're gonna mount them on the fascia itself. There's these little two locators here and it lines up with the locators on the bracket. Okay guys, it literally just clips in and they give you a couple of screws. It's gonna screw like that. And then you're gonna mount the stereo and you're gonna put it in on the fascia and put the screws through the side, right? And then it's just gonna clip in to the car there. You're just still gonna have to put the hazard switch into here, but the stereo is gonna mount on the fascia side, not the car side anymore. That's how it would be completed. You can see the two brackets there, okay guys, and you just line it up with the holes in the screw, and it just makes it a little bit easier to do your installation.